This is a little bit of help with the design in the academic IT area. And this is 3/25/19. We have a multi-layered switch that services a couple areas. Services the classrooms in MH216, which we currently have a layer 2 switch. It services classroom PC 229, and there we also have a layer 2 switch. It is connected back to, I believe, MH240, the server room. And here we have all those services like DHCP, DNS, Active Directory. Okay. Also, there is an older multi-layered switch that has power over Ethernet, and that services 2 access points. Okay. So we have, the students should know what we have in the room. Just to remind you, there is an instructor station in this room. There are about 10 Linux machines, 28 Windows machines. This production switch. Here, there's an instructor workstation and about 20 machines. And in this room, we plan to add some machines in the back. Coming off of here, we have a firewall, and then off of that firewall we have currently a switch in 229 for the DMZ. Those 10 Linux machines connect off of that. And then the firewall gives us access to the NIAC campus, which gives us access to the internet. Now, that should help. So the next thing, let's add a page about the rooms or the locations where everything's at, and then you can think about what you'd want to possibly do in the future. We have, what we're going to extend is this server room that we're going to redo by the end of the year. And that server room's connected to this MH216 closet. Right? Those are in the back. And then we have the classroom. MH216. And then we have PC 229 classroom. And we have PC 228, the wiring closet. Right, so we have multiple connections here. Somehow this classroom, I believe, is connected in here. We have some other connections here in the room. We have a connection here to the server room, and we have multiple connections here. Now we also have some connections to some other classrooms. So you might want to think about what would be the best way to manage this. Okay. So my last thing, we need to think about design is the usage, how we use the rooms for the students. That makes sense? You know, what's the best way to use it for the students? We want students to be able to log in. So we need Active Directory, and we need those other services. We've already mentioned those. And then we want good performance for what we do, so we got to think about what kind of data is being exchanged, which isn't real complex in our scenario. Okay? So in the design then, what software is available, what devices will connect in, and then what intermediate devices, more or less networking equipment, do we need to make this work, and are there any physical wiring we need to update. So this would be individual devices, their own laptops and so forth, and our devices, PCs. Do we need to have some laptops for students to use, and so forth. So thinking about what we need, and then producing that in some form of document. That's it.